Hello traders, my name is Angie. I am a financial analyst with Olymp Trade, and this is video part 2 where we'll look at the platform more in detail, discuss price forecasting and how trading works. There are many different ways to forecast further price movement. One popular method is the study and observation of previous price movements, which is called technical analysis. One popular and commonly used tool is a technical analysis instrument called a trend line. Now, what is a trend? A trend is market movement in a certain direction. If the price of an asset is moving up, then we have an uptrend or a bullish trend, because on the financial market, buyers are called bulls. If the price is going down, then we have a downtrend or a bearish trend, because sellers on the market are called bears. If there is no trend on the market, this is called that the market is moving in a flat, trading in a range or a channel. This means that the price is moving sideways and neither buyers or sellers are in control. We can draw a trend line on an up or on a downtrend. On a downtrend, you would connect the highs or the maximums of the price movement. And on an uptrend, you would connect the lows or the minimums of the price movement. Please note, when you are drawing your trend line, you want it to get the maximum amount of price touches without the price breaking or moving beyond this line. When the price does break this line, may mean that the trend direction is changing. We can use this signal when the price breaks the trend line and use additional indicators to get a confirmation. For this purpose, we can use, for example, an indicator called the moving average. The moving average is displayed on the chart as a curved line that usually follows the direction of the price movement. It is based on calculating the average price for a certain period of time. It helps to determine the trend direction on the market, and it is used to get signals. By combining different indicators, we'll look for possible entry and exit points for our trades. If the moving average is pointing down, this confirms our downtrend. And if the moving average is pointing up, we have additional confirmation of an uptrend. To get a signal, we have to wait for the price, the candlestick, to cross the moving average either up or down. When the price crosses the moving average down, this is a signal to trade down. And when the price crosses the moving average to the upside, gives us a signal to trade up. The really cool thing is that we can use Forex and FTT together. If we are looking at Forex, then we can enter a trade in the direction of the main trend and then wait and collect our profit on the entire price movement. The thing about the market is that it moves in waves and has moments of retracements or corrections. So if we have an uptrend as the price is moving up, it will retrace down by a third or a half before resuming in the direction of the main trend. And likewise scenario with a downtrend. You can use these retracements to trade FTT. The idea here is that there are certain levels called support and resistance. And these are areas where the price is likely to either stall and or reverse in the opposite direction. When we draw a trend line on an uptrend, we are drawing a level of support. And when we are drawing a trend line on a downtrend, we are drawing a level of resistance. In most cases, we can even make a channel, and during a time of retracement, we can trade up when the price bounces from support and trade down when the price bounces from resistance. But please remember, it is recommended and trades have more probability if they are opened in the direction of the main trend. My friends, using Forex and FTT together can be very profitable. It is important to understand that certain steps need to be taken to forecast and to predict future price movement. Education, proper planning, money management, and emotional stability is necessary to succeed on the financial markets. Just for you, Olymp Trade has a full section that is dedicated to education. We teach you how to properly forecast price movement, what different styles of trading there are, and what strategies can be used. We teach you about technical analysis indicators, how to use them, and much, much more. On the left-hand side menu, click on More and go to Help Center. In the same menu, you can click on Insights, where you can find the latest articles from analysts with trade recommendations and our upcoming live webinars. You can also find these streams and videos on our YouTube channel, so please make sure that you're subscribed. My friends, this education is free and it is here for you, and education is necessary for success. So enjoy! The great thing is that we're here to help you and to teach you. Join us, learn and earn with Olymp Trade.